Hi everyone, I'm Ritcha. Welcome back to part 2 of Dermarolling. Sorry guys, I had to do voiceover because of too many disturbances in original video. Please bear with me. Thank you. And if you're new and don't know about me, I'm Ritcha, a makeup artist. But in today's video, I will be talking all about skincare. If you haven't checked the part 1 of this video, I'm giving the link below in the description box. You can go there and check it out. Here is my Dermaroller. Before starting needling, I will just go and wash my face again. I already washed it when I started filming the video, but I will wash it again. Weather is actually humid. So I have washed my face and now I will start microneedling. The serum I am using today is by Dot & Keats vitamin C serum with hyaluronic acid. As it says, it's hyaluronic induced formula and free radical neutralizing, and there are absolutely no nasty chemicals in it. Again, it's by Dot & Key, one of my favorite skincare brand these days. And this product is totally made in India. Vitamin C is good as it visibly enhances skin brightness and luminosity. So I will just apply 3 to 4 drops of serum on my face and then massage in upward circular motions until completely absorbed. The very light hand. I think I need some more on my forehead. I will apply a few more drops of the serum. I have been using Dermaroller since last 2 years, but I am not a regular one. When it comes to Dermarolling, I'm very lazy as I'm often booked on the bookings, makeup bookings and all, so I don't get much time for Dermarolling like treatments. As there are too many precautions involved and you have to avoid exposure to the sun after dermarolling your face. I have applied this serum on my face. Let's start with the dermarolling. It's dry and perfectly disinfected. Let's start. As you can see, I have some dark circles. I didn't have any dark circles. I didn't have any dark circles, and these are not in my genes, thankfully. As you can notice on my face, I have little puffy eyes too and dark circles. It's all because of COVID. I got infected with COVID in May starting, and I still have a little bit of weakness, which is clearly visible around my eye area. Hopefully these will go away when I will start feeling healthy. Of course, I'm eating healthy and trying to keep myself hydrated, trying to have more water and fruits and cucumbers and juices. Shoes, I'm weak. It's fine. Cool. Coming back to dermarolling, I will take a smaller area. I will go to and fro vertically first, and don't try to drag your roller as it will actually damage your skin. So just do it on the same place 4 to 5 times repetitions, and then horizontally for 4 to 5 times at one place, and then diagonally. You have to do it like this. Don't put too much of pressure, and it should neither be too light. 4 to 5 times at one place. As you can see, my skin has started becoming red. Now I will do it horizontally on the same place. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, that's enough. I'm taking small sections at one time. Now I will do it diagonally. If your skin is loose, I would suggest you to stretch your face skin a little bit. Just make sure your hands are very clean for that thing.
We'd stay up, it felt so right. We were so young, we were so dumb. We would get drunk and then hook up. We were okay, we were all
Can you notice the redness on this side? This side is clean and this side is red.
like a good drug, never run. We'd hook up in my car, drive it so far, play your guitar, you'd show me your art, let down our
But it's too late now. I remember you and me, and how careless we could be.
all day and all night. We'd stay up, it felt so right. We were so young, we were so dumb. We would get drunk and then hook up. We were okay, we were alright. Staying awake till the sunrise. We were in love, couldn't stop us. Like a good drug, never run. We'd hook up in my car, drive it so far, play your guitar, you'd show me your art, let down our
But it's too late now. I remember you and me, and how careless we could be.
all day and all night. We'd stay up, it felt so right. We were so young, we were so dumb. We would get drunk and then hook up. We were okay, we were alright. Staying awake till the sunrise. We were in love, couldn't stop us. Like a good drug, never run. We'd hook up in my car, drive it so far, play your guitar, you'd show me your art, let down our
But it's too late now. I remember you and me, and how careless we could be.
all day and all night. We'd stay up, it felt so right.
This is a clear view how my skin is looking right now. As you can see, the area where I have little bit of scars is more red compared to the other areas of the skin. Now I will wash my Dermaroller in cold water and soak it again in alcohol water, and I'm going to wash my face. So I'm back. I have washed my face with cold tap water, and now I'm patting it dry with a very soft face tissue. After microneedling, you should not be using any harsh towels, and be very gentle with your skin.
And all night, we'd stay up, it felt so right. We were so young, we were so dumb. We would get drunk and then hook up. We were okay, we were alright. Staying awake till the
So the serum I will be using is same Dot and Key 1 vitamin C and hyaluronic acid serum. I will take a few drops of the serum and will apply it on my cheek, and we'll see if it does any reaction or is it fine. I think it's fine. So now I will take some more serum on my fingers and apply it on my face. And as you can see, I'm applying it in slow tapping motions and not massaging it like you massage creams, as my skin is very sensitive and has been just treated with microneedling. So you have to be very gentle on the skin, and this motions should be very light.
But it's too late now. I remember you and me, and how careless we could be.
all day up, it felt so right. We were so young, we were so dumb. We would get drunk and then hook up. We were okay, we were alright. Staying awake till the sunrise. We were in love, couldn't stop us.
Make sure when you're applying a serum, never ignore your neck area. So I'm applying the serum on my neck too. After waiting for about 5 minutes after applying the serum, I will apply the moisturizer. The moisturizer I'm applying today is also by Dot & Key. It's sleep mask actually. It contains vitamin C and hyaluronic acid. As I have done the treatment of microneedling at night, I will use the night mask, or you can say the night moisturizer. Isn't this pot really cute? I just love the packaging of Dot & Key products. Those are too attractive and too cute. The section of the video where I applied this moisturizer got deleted by mistake, so I'm just skipping that and coming to the end of the video. If this video was of any use, please give this video a thumbs up. And do subscribe to my YouTube channel if you have not yet subscribed. Also, please follow me on Instagram and like my Facebook page too. I would love to be friends with you there, and do let me know in the comments below what you would like to see in my next video. If you have any questions, you can ask me in the comment box below, and do ring the notification bell so that you get notified of any new video. And don't forget to share it with your cousins, your friends, your relatives, with whomsoever you want to share. Thank you so much. I love you guys. It's only because of your love and appreciation that I keep making such videos, as I'm not that kind of active person who is into making videos. Really love it, and I just love the love you guys shower upon me. Thank you so much. Mwah. Stay healthy, stay blessed, love you. I recommend you all checking part 1 of the video for all the precautions and question and answers you have asked me on Instagram. I have replied all in the part 1. Thank you.
And all night we'd stay up, it felt so right. We were so young, we were so dumb. We would get drunk and then
Do follow me on Instagram too for all the real brides and some quick makeup bites.
we were so young, we were so dumb. We would get drunk and then hook up. We were okay, we were alright. Staying awake till the sunrise. We were and all night we'd stay up, it felt so right. We were so young, we were so dumb. We would get drunk and then hook